Alright, got something real cool planned for this. Got my home forge here. A brand new lid. Propane burner. A blowing device. And a bag of used coffee grounds. And next, we're going to start loading this thing up with some coffee grounds. That should be good. And now we're going to use the propane to cook them to absolute hot coal. So it's going to be mostly steam coming out at first. So we're just going to stir it every now and then. Coffee grounds are wet before we put them in. Now that there's flame coming out the top, we can see that the coffee grounds inside are pyrolyzing, becoming just little specks of charcoal. And that's what we want. We're going to keep heating it up until it's done. Oh yeah, that's glowing red hot in there. Looking real good. Alright, now that everything in there is glowing orange hot, I think we're ready. So, I can turn off the propane. Take that out. Insert the blowing device. Get back and hope this looks as spectacular as I was hoping. In 3, 2, 1. I think I need more blowing power.